Hi, I'm Angela, part of the sales team at Barb's Harley-Davidson, and I'm standing over here with Scotty P. Yeah, and we are in our pre-owned inventory. We have two Suzuki Hayabusas. This is a 2013, and the red one you just saw is a 14. These are both badass. They have, Scott, what do they have?
They have killer exhaust systems on it. Bad to the bone, 200-mile-an-hour bikes. You got to come down and test ride. Listen, you're going to come down, you're going to love this bike. You got to set your hair on fire when you're riding these, and I'm telling you, we offer some great finance rates, so you got to come down and check them out. Test rides are free, guys. So stop on in here at Barb's, and remember, no one walks.